If you have kids, if you work in environments where there are multiple generations, people younger than you and older than you, or you're finding the world that we live in right now super hectic, overwhelming, and going at a pace that you can't quite relate to, I have the meditation for you. But first, welcome everyone. Salimah here, yoga therapist and a lover of Kundalini Yoga, first and foremost. I want to share a meditation with you that I think will really hit the spot. It will help us to synchronize how we communicate so that people in different generations can really understand where we're coming from. And it also helps us keep pace with what modern life is showing us right now. So let's get steady and ready. We're going to tune in, use a mantra to create an environment inside of ourselves and around us where we can focus and concentrate and really make a connection between our physical self and everything else that's going on around us and within us. We're going to tune in. Then we're going to do a few quick warm-up movements just to get the energy flowing, and then a short meditation, maybe 6-7 minutes. Okay. If you're down for it, let's go. If not the right time, then bookmark this, save it, and then make sure you come back to it, because every single one of us on the planet right now needs something like this. And so you found it. So make sure that you keep it precious and close to you. Okay. Let's begin. Start by bringing yourself really steady and stable in the chair or on the ground or in the sofa. Wherever you are is perfect. You don't have to be on the ground to make this work. Just give ourselves a sigh. Two more. Last one. Relax. Shake your head, shake your fingers, roll your shoulders out just a little bit. Good. Bring your wrists in circles, and then bring your fingertips together and then give it a little push. Inhale very deeply, push, push, push. And let it go. Exhale through the mouth. Relax a little bit. Inhale, push. One more time. Inhale and push. Push against your fingertips and let it go. And give it a little shake. Awesome. We're going to tune in now. I'm going to say the mantra. Usually I chant it, but I'm going to say it so that those of you who are new and chiming in for the first time or listening to me for the first time, you can hear the words. And if you have experience with Kundalini Yoga, feel free to chant. I'm just going to say it so it's really clear for everybody. These words are in the sacred sounds of Gurmukhi, and this is a language tradition rooted in the Sikh faith. The sounds are Ong, Namo, Gurudev, Namo. Two more times. Ong, Namo, Gurudev, Namo. Last one. Ong, Namo, Gurudev, Namo. Inhale very deeply. Close your eyes and think of all the people in your life, the ages and stages of life that they're in right now, and imagine yourself making a connection to all of them. Good. And release. We'll start this meditation with a few different elements. We're going to start with mudra, and the mudra is to bring the first finger and thumb to touch. So this is a very classical yogi posture. You've seen it before, you've probably done it before, and this is what we're going to hold. And that's going to your hands are going to stay on your knees so that you're calm and relaxed and very relaxed in your posture. And now we're going to take our eyes and focus here at the top of the head. This is called the solar point. And the mantra, inhale, mentally hear the sound sa ta as you inhale. And as you exhale, mentally chant the sound na ma. So inhale and exhale. Inhale the sounds sa, ta. Exhale, na, ma. Sa, ta. Exhale, na, ma. Sa, ta, na, ma. So I'm going to keep the chanting going. You keep the breathing going. Inhale, sa, ta. Exhale, na, ma. Sa, ta, na, ma. Sa, ta, na, ma. Sa, ta, na, ma. Remember to look up. Sa, ta, na, ma. Now join me by mentally chanting. As you inhale, sa, ta, na, ma. As you exhale, sa, ta, na, ma. 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 As you deepen into this practice, you can take over the mantra yourself, inhaling sa, ta, na, ma. And as you do this, feel as though you're vibrating the sound, not just saying it in your mind, but releasing a frequency, feeling that you're casting out energy and that you're going to draw the same balanced energy back. So continue now for just another minute. You keep the mantra moving in your mind. Keep the focus on the top of your head through your closed eyes. And inhale the sound of sa, ta, and exhale na, ma. This mantra brings you to your divinity and your grace. And then we have a second part to explore. It's a little bit shorter, but allows us to seal in this experience. Last few seconds here. Excellent. Take a deep inhale, hold steady. And exhale. From here, with your first finger and thumb to touch, bring the rest of your fingers in. So you're squeezing tightly. The first two fingers remain connected, but the next get tucked into the palm of your hand. Here is the mantra, changes slightly. We're going to chant Satnam 6 times, followed by Waheguru. Satnam, 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 Waheguru. Let's do that again. Satnam, 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 Waheguru. Satnam, 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 Waheguru. Satnam, 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 Waheguru. Now, take these fingers, bring them together, tuck your rest of your fingers into your palm, tip your chin upwards and look towards the ceiling or the sky above you. And we continue now for just over 1 minute. So looking upwards, focusing on the center of your head. Satnam, 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 Waheguru. 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 Last round. Satnam, 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 Waheguru. Inhale very deeply, squeeze all of your muscles, lock in the benefits of this practice. Feel your connection to the generations that surround you, your ancestors, and the people who you will be an ancestor to. Through the mouth, exhale, let it go. Press your palms together. Inhale deeply, we close with a long Sat, short Nam. We chant that 3 times together. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Bowing in reverence, bring your forehead to your fingertips or your forehead to the ground, closing off the energy of today's practice. Bowing in reverence to you and all the connections that you're making in today's practice. For full effect, 40 days is the required dosage of this medicine. And a shout out to all of you and your kids who've been watching all of my videos. It is a pleasure and a delight when I get on numerology consults with all of you and your kids show up and they recognize my voice and we get to say hi to each other. It's for their sake that I share this particular video with you. And of course, to my own little guy, who is an incredibly inspiring teacher, very strict, very unrelenting, and shows me the way of clarity for the next generation. I invite you to look at that very deeply. As a mother, you are the first spiritual teacher. And one of the ways that you can help your kids is by practicing, exposing them to these practices, and then deepening your practice. Join Harmony Within, join teacher training, do all the things so that the life that you live now is to its maximum capacity. Spiritually, mentally, emotionally, be fit, be sound. I love you, and I'll see you next time.